Hello and welcome to the Logo Design Process by Graphic Hunters. I am a team member of Graphic Hunters, and I'll be the instructor for this course. Logos are very powerful and important for any brand. They help the audience identify and recognize a brand. It's really important to design logos that catches the attention of the audience. And believe me, it's not as easy or simple as it looks. But if you follow a proper process, logo designing can be very fun and effective. In this course, I will walk you through my entire logo design process and share with you how I created professional logos for my clients, and how you can get your first client and also maintain an active stream of income in clients. You will learn how to understand your client's requirements so that it would design a logo that is tailored to the audience and business goals. I will show you how you can conduct brainstorming to collect ideas for inspiration and how you can bring those ideas to life. You will sketches. Then you learn how to transform those sketches into digital designs. Next, you'll learn how to find the right color for your logo. You will also be working with Ty to choose the right font for your logo. You'll also learn how to present your logo to your client in an effective manner. Next, I will show you how you can find client as a beginner and how you're going to keep a steady stream of clients to make this a full-time income. You will learn how to negotiate and close deals with clients and how you can manage the contracts and payments as a designer. Lastly, I will share a case study about a real try project that I did to show you how this process actually works. I'm extremely unhappy if you have missed any videos of this course. Before we begin, let me introduce myself properly. I have been a creative professional for over 5 years now. Throughout my creative journey, I have worked with clients from all across the globe on branding, web, and other design projects. When I started logo designing for clients, I used to struggle a lot, but as I progressed, I learned how to work efficiently and created a proper workflow and process. And this is the exact process that I'm going to share with you guys in this course. I'm going to make sure that the time you spend in this course will be full of practical knowledge and effective tips that will help you become a better logo designer and hopefully make a living doing this. So without further ado, let's get started.